Good morning, students. Today I am deriving the expression for resonant frequency. Okay, first the condition is inductive. Inductive is equals to capacitive. We know that inductive is XL is equals to capacitive is XC. We know that inductive reactance is L omega is equals to capacitive reactance is 1 by C omega. There are omega are same, no, so we write it as omega square 1 by LC omega. When we remove the square, we apply root here. Omega is equals to 1 by square root of LC. We know value of omega, which is 2 pi f is equals to 1 by square root of LC. I am taking this 2 pi down there, so f is equals to 1 by square root of LC 2 pi. So the expression for resonant frequency is f is equals to 1 by 2 pi square root of LC. This is the final expression of resonant frequency. You can take it screenshot, students. Okay, let's meet in another derivation video. Bye.